Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome to my very first YouTube video, as well as our very first recap series. So this is going to be a series where we basically look back at the trades we took throughout the week, and we see what works, what didn't work, why this played out, why this didn't play out, what price tapped into, things like that. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I looked at was EU. I really liked the way structure was going. So going to the monthly time frame. Oh wait, I don't know where all my stuff went. I had a whole thing, but okay. Yeah. So we got. So looking from a monthly standpoint, we have our low, and then we have our high. That's all I'm looking for. Bearish structure, cool. Here, we also have bearish structure. So 3-day. Here we also have bearish structure. This being the high, this being the high, this being the low, break, cool, daily, low. And then from here, we want to see a lower high. So in order for us to get a new lower high, we need to see a smaller time frame one, smaller time for break. We got it, cool. Now notice how it didn't really push below. It created liquidity, came up, failed to make a new high. If it did make a new high, it would have been here. But because we didn't, it's clear that we have more interest in pushing down here. Now, unfortunately, because it is December 17th right now, we're mid-December, it is a little bit hard for price to have enough pressure to close below. Unfortunately, we did not get our entry filled. This looks like the immediate reaction. So why did it tap into here? It didn't have interest in tapping into here. It tapped into this entire move. So if we go on a higher time frame or a smaller time frame and see where this could be one candle, we can see where price actually tapped into. Nope, not the daily, 4 hour, maybe 1 hour. No, it was 4 hour, but it tapped into where the initial move played out. Because if you line it up here, you could see with the horizontal line tool that price actually tapped into that, and it was just fulfilled with that, and then it continued higher. So there's that. That's the reason why it played out this way. Gold is another trade I took, but unfortunately never got filled yet. I still personally think it's valid because we got that. Again, we have our structure here. We have our 4-hour BOS. So now the range is from here to here. This is still valid. It's just creating structure. In terms of levels, this is level 1, level 2, coming to level 3. Or if you want to look at it from an actual level standpoint, this is level 3, level 2. We don't really trade level 2. We go to level 1. Now, I still consider this valid, but again, I'm not going to keep open my orders because, one, it is almost Christmas, so market can be crazy manipulated. I'd rather just come back in January. But yeah, that's my looks on EU, gold, and I believe GU is one I was looking at also. Didn't really take that one also, thankfully, because I would have been stopped out. Tried to justify it with the lower time frames, but here, I believe I was anticipating buys and then it just shot through. Yeah, from this high, I was gonna go for this low, but I didn't take the order because I just didn't understand structure because of what higher temps were saying. For monthly, weekly, and daily, it was bearish. We used seasonality to verify that a little bit. And then from here, we made a new lower low. Now we know we need to make a new lower high. So going to the 4-hour, you could see that we had that 4-hour BOS, but I didn't want to force an entry here because anywhere here is valid. But the only difference is with here, this was the only source of like insufficient price action. So going down to the 1 hour, we could see a little bit more clearly. And after we got that 4-hour BOS, you could see anywhere here is valid. Honestly, this is the point that catches my eye the most. Of course, it would be more ideal to be down here, but it looks like there's no reason for price to actually come down to that area. So we kind of just made a new high, and now we're making a new higher low, which could possibly be in this area. With 4-hour now being bullish, 1 hour now being bullish, I think that's enough to buy. So yeah, that's something I'm looking at. But again, I'm not going to be personally entering this trade anymore because it is December 17th. It is against my trading rules to trade on the last 2 weeks of December. So with that being said, guys, that's going to be a little recap of what I was looking at for the markets. Yeah, if you guys liked the video, please subscribe. It does mean a lot to me because it shows that you guys are enjoying the content. If you guys want to learn a little bit more, personally send me a message. I'm available on Instagram at a.mfceo, or you could send me an email at a.freedomempire@gmail.com. And from there. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Comment your thoughts below, and take care. With all love, peace.